welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let us begin. So the first question is the previous practice question, and the question was, a person wants to go from India to United Kingdom by land route only. So either by road or by railway. What is the minimum number of other countries it will have to pass through? And the options are 5, 6, 7 or 8. So let us see. So we are moving from India to United Kingdom. So this is the first point, and UK, this is the destination. So through land route only. So let us first see. See, from only by land route the one has to move. So India cannot use the sea route. So this route gets eliminated. And we have to talk about the minimum number of countries. So if India will pass through the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran route, then the number of countries will become more. So the Central Asian countries route India will not take, or a person will not take from moving to India, from moving from India to UK. So the route which will be followed by the person from moving from India to UK through land route only. So that will be first moving from India. First country will come, that is China. This will be the first country. Second country will be Russia. Then comes the Europe, and third country will be Belarus. Fourth will be Poland. Fifth will be Germany. Sixth will be France. And then the destination UK. So in total a person will go through 6 countries, that is starting with India, China, Russia, Belarus, Poland, Germany, France, and then to UK. So the correct answer would be option B, that is 6. Now let us begin with today's session. So consider the following statements. There are 3 statements given. It is a semi-enclosed tropical basin bounded by northeastern Africa on the west and the Arabian Peninsula on the east. Second, at the northern end, it is divided into the Gulf of Aqaba and the Gulf of Suez, which are connected to the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. Third, it is surrounded by desert or semi-desert areas and has no major freshwater flows. Which of the following water bodies best matches the above description? Persian Gulf, Red Sea, Arabian Sea, or Gulf of Oman. So let us see. The correct answer for this is Red Sea. So this is Red Sea. On one side is Africa, on the other side is Asia. So the Gulf of Eden moves into the Red Sea, and then Red Sea moves or connects with the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. So this is Suez Canal, and then one portion of it gets into the Gulf of Aqaba. So this is Gulf of Aqaba. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is Red Sea. See, northern end it is divided into Gulf of Aqaba and the Gulf of Suez, correct. Connected to the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal, correct. It is surrounded by desert or semi-desert areas and has no major freshwater flow. So the area of Sinai Peninsula of Egypt and the Arabian Peninsula, that is all desert and semi-desert. Then bounded by northeastern Africa, correct, on the west, and the Arabian Peninsula on the east. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is Red Sea. Now coming to the next question, that is the cities Aleppo, Homs and Hama, which are often in the news, are located in which of the following countries? Syria, Iraq, Lebanon or Jordan. So the correct answer is Syria. So Syria was very much in news because of the political instability it is going through. Capital of Syria is Damascus. So the 3 cities which are mentioned in the question belongs to Syria, that is Aleppo, which is situated in North Syria. Then comes Hama, and below Hama come Homs. So Hama and Homs is at the central level, while Aleppo is at the northern side, and the surrounding countries of Syria being Turkey, Lebanon, Mediterranean Sea, Israel, Jordan and Iraq. So the correct answer is option A, that is Syria. Now next question. Potomac River, which was in news recently, is located in which of the following countries? United States of America, Canada, Mexico, or Brazil? So let us see the Potomac River. So Potomac River is present in the United States of America. So if we will zoom out on the map of United States of America, then the eastern side of the United States of America is where the Potomac River basically flows, and the mouth of the Potomac River is present in the, that is, Chesapeake Bay, which is connected to the Atlantic Ocean. And if we will talk about the Potomac River, then this is how the Potomac River flows. This is how the Potomac River flows. So the Potomac River originates in the Potomac River highlands of West Virginia, US, and flows through Virginia, Maryland, Washington DC, and emptying into the Chesapeake Bay, or the, which gets ultimately into the Atlantic Ocean. So the correct answer is option A, that is United States of America. Next, consider the following statements. There are three statements given. First, it is the second largest country in Africa. Second, it has a short coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. Third, it is bordered by the Central African Republic and the South Sudan to the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania to the east, and Zambia to the southeast. Which of the following countries best matches the above description? Democratic Republic of Congo, Angola, Sudan, or Chad? So let us see this. If we will talk about the answer, then the correct answer is the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is the second largest country in size in African continent, while the largest country with size is Algeria. And the surrounding countries of the Democratic Republic of Congo is the Central African Republic, Congo, Angola, Zambia, Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, Sudan. So it is bordered by Central African Republic, South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, Zambia. So this becomes correct. Then second largest country in Africa, it has a short coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. So if we will see and look at the map of the Democratic Republic of Congo, then yes, a very short coastline it shares with the Atlantic Ocean. So the correct answer in this becomes option A, that is Democratic Republic of Congo. Now next question. Consider the following statements. There are three statements given. So first is, it is located in the eastern Mediterranean basin and borders Egypt to the southwest and Israel to the north and east. Then it is one of the most densely populated regions in the world with over 2 million inhabitants living in a small area. Third, the term open air prison has been widely used by academics, activists, and journalists to describe the situation. Which of the following places best matches the above description? Gaza Strip, West Bank, Cyprus, or Lebanon? So the correct answer for this is the Gaza Strip. And Gaza Strip was recently in news because of the ceasefire which has taken place between the Hamas and the Israel. And Gaza Strip is a very densely populated area, and majorly the academicians and researchers all over the world has described it as an open prison because of the density of people living together. And it shares its border with the Mediterranean Sea, the western border, while on the rest of the side it is covered with Israel. And then the southern side it shares border with the Egypt. So the correct answer becomes option A, that is Gaza Strip. Now moving on to the next question. How can the term donkey route, often seen in the news, be best described? There are four options given. First, traditional trade route used by traders in Central Asia to transport goods on donkeys. Second, it is an illegal immigration route used by migrants to enter foreign countries through unsafe and unofficial routes. Third, it is a military strategy that involves the use of donkeys to carry logistics in difficult terrain. Or fourth, it is a conservation initiative that aims to protect the wild donkey population in Africa. So the correct answer for this is option B, donkey route. If you have seen the movie Donkey, then exactly depicts that how the term donkey route works. So donkey route is basically followed by the illegal immigrants who wants to enter into some foreign country but does not have the proper and the legal visa or the documents to enter. So they follow the unofficial and the illegal ways to enter into a country. Now look at this, one of the destination countries for donkey route, and the famous destination country is the United States of America. So moving from the South American countries, passing on to the Latin America, then to the Mexico, and then to US. This is how the people follow the, or the illegal immigration people follow the route to enter into US. And as of now, if you will see, then the president of US, Donald Trump, has been very vocal about the deportation of people who are living into the US or who has entered US illegally and does not possess the required documents. Now coming to the next question, and this is a practice question, and like always you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, consider the following statements. It is a landlocked region in West Asia. It includes a major part of the Western Dead Sea. Then it is located between Israel and Jordan. Which of the following regions best relates to the above description? West Bank, Gaza Strip, Golan Heights, or Sinai Peninsula? Like I always say, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So you have to go look at map, or you can pick up the atlas and see the exact location and then give me the answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.